So in this clip, I'll show you how to add a picture to the timeline. So it's File, Import Media. Just select the slide you want and then click on Import Selected, and then that will bring the picture into the library up here. And the same as the video, just click on the picture and drag it down into the timeline. And that will now play in the preview window. And again, same as the video, you can adjust the start and the end time. You can also bring this into the timeline if you would like to add a fade or a transition at the start and the end. You just, same as before, you can pull that down and release at the start, so you can see that playing now in the preview window. Like so. And there you have it. That's the end of adding a picture. And now in the next clip, I'll show you how to add some audio. This is a clip I made earlier.